shot.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh. Bad time.
All right, I'm going to move back a little bit more, okay? So it's going to be timing a little bit harder. Okay, ready?
Woo!
Nice one. Just watch the ball. That's all you got to do. Nice one.
Good job, Carter.
What?
Good job.
What? I'm just practicing when I get in a real one.
A real match?
A real game. I know how to play tennis.
Yeah. This is paddle. You're playing paddle.
Ready?
When I get in the paddle.
Whoa! Good shot.
In the paddle.
You know who's really good at paddle tennis? Grandma.
Yeah.
She's wicked.
She can teach you all her moves.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Did Gogo play paddle?
Oh yeah, these are her rackets.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Has she played tennis at our house before?
Gogo?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
No, I meant,
Paddle? Grandma? Grandma played tennis at our house. Well, not at our house, but at the court down the road. Yeah.
At Noe Pond.
Well, yeah, but she played at the. We played tennis with her down at the Milton Courts before, I think.
That's throw.
Back guys.
Eye on the ball, Carter.
Alright. Bad pass. Bad pass. Wait, Daddy, wait. There you go.
Woo!
Nice one.
Woo! Good job, Carter.
Oh.
Eye on the ball.
On the ball, Paul. All right, ready? Coming at you. Get ready. Get ready. Eye on the ball. Ready? Bend those knees. Shake that tuchus around. Shake your little hiney a little bit.
Dad, when I do this, that means I'm ready.
Okay, sounds good.
Woo!
Nice. Oh. Nice one.
Whoa!
You threw me off. With the... Just do this from now on. No butt shake.